All right, so now this APY is annual percent yield or annual percentage yield. All right, so where this comes into play is oftentimes when you look at loans or credit cards, if you look at what the credit card is offering, it'll say 4.5% interest, 4.75 APY. So that APY is the annual yield. That's how much you're actually charged per year for a credit card or a loan. So this is the formula that we use to calculate that. So again, in MyMathLab, the M represents the N, which represents the number of compounds. Okay, so it's going to look a little bit different, but it means the same thing. In your MyMathLab and textbook, it uses M, like Mary, for the number of compounds. I use N because number of compounds, it makes more sense to me. So here we go. You have I'll just take it right from the MyMathLab. It says, what is the annual percentage yield for money invested at an annual rate of 4.75% compounded monthly? Okay, so you're given a rate of 4.75. We want to know what's the APY. So the APY, so that means annual percentage yield, is 1 plus a 0.0475 divided by 12, because it's monthly, all raised to the 12th, and then subtracting 1. Now, be very careful. When you're plugging this into your calculator, you want to make sure that that -1 is down here. You're subtracting a whole number, not subtracting from the exponent. Okay, so make sure you drop it down. All right, so here we go. All you have to do is inside parentheses first. So 0.0475 divided by 12. That answer plus 1. So inside parentheses, I'm going to get this. So just checking to make sure that you have the right numbers. And I'm not changing it on my calculator. Raised to the 12th power. And then that minus 1. So my APY is 0.0485. When I move this over twice, it's 4.85%. So it went from 4.75% and the APY is 4.85%. And that's how you do annual percentage yield.